So here I'm going to introduce you to a very basic way to do a macro in Excel. And a macro is nothing more than an automated task in Excel. So you can click a button and then something happens, a series of events, or sometimes it's just one event. Now, the much more complicated way to create macros is through VBA, which is Visual Basic. And that requires some limited programming skills. But if it's a fairly easy task that you're wanting this to do, or wanting to execute in Excel, there's a pretty quick and easy feature to do that. And that's using, and just to kind of get your bearings, you want to click on the Developer tab at the top here. If you don't see the Developer tab, go to File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and then make sure that Developer item is checked, the box is checked. Okay. And so what we're going to do is we're going to record a macro. And so let's say that this is just a very simple inventory list, that we want to create a button that a user can click on the button and it's going to clear this table, this particular column, like so. Okay, so let's undo that, and we're going to do that. The first thing you have to do is record the macro, and it's very simple. Once you click on record, you're going to name your macro. And so let's just name it clear column. Once you enter the name, it's now recording. And you'll see here that's the icon says stop recording, which lets you know that it is recording. So anything you do, and this doesn't mean moving your mouse around, but anything you click, any task that you perform in Excel, it's recording those events. And then once you stop recording, whatever you did in that start and stop session, it will repeat at your command. Okay, and so it's recording, and so all we're going to do is, just like before, we're going to clear this column like that. Okay, and that's all we want it to do. And now we're going to stop record, and to find that macro, you'll see here, you click on the macros icon up here, and here it is, clear column. And let's just put some numbers in there so I can show you that it works. Okay, so we'll click on macros, we'll choose clear column, and we'll click run. And you'll see it cleared that column. Now we need to add a button for users to use to do that. And here we'll go to still in the Developer tab, and we are going to insert form control, and we'll click on a button. There's many options, but I think just this first one is a button, and that's usually the best option for a macro. And let's put the button here, and it asks you, do you want to assign a macro to it? And we're going to assign the clear column. Okay, and then we can rename it. Oops. Like so. And so now let's put some numbers in here. Actually, let's just copy and paste this like that. And so now when the user clicks that button, it clears the column. Just do it one more time. And so that's how you do it. That's a very quick and easy way to perform a macro and record a macro. You can, of course, do more than just one task. You could do multiple tasks and amongst multiple tabs as well. So let's say you had a number of tabs and you want to record an automated task that does various things on various tabs or sheets. It can do that. It's a very useful feature. And the good thing is, and let me just give you an example, Visual Basic, this is where you would need some limited programming skills to actually go in here and program macros. So that's using this record feature is really the easiest way to do that, and we'll probably satisfy most, if not all, basic Excel users. So, hope that helps.